Iman here from Design by Iman, and today we're here at Admired Alexandra. We just completed a main floor overhaul and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. Let's jump in. Let's start with the entryway. Before, the entryway had some dated furniture and builder grade floors and really no room for storage. We decided to build a small wall to flank the new entry cabinet. It now houses a new bench, a console area, and plenty of storage for coats and shoes. You can even check yourself out in a full-length mirror which sits on a stunning geometric wallpaper. The new floors add a touch of richness, and the hardware, lighting, and accents really complete the space. Past the entryway is the stairs. It's a curved staircase, and before it was your typical 90s look. It was all done in an orangey wood tone with banisters and spindles. We painted out the handrail and swapped out the spindles for an updated look. We also painted the steps in the same color to create a bold, fresh feeling. Going into the living room, before it really had no focal area. It was just a TV on a furniture stand and some random furniture. The floors were an orange narrow plank, which we knew we wanted to change out. Now this place has completely transformed. We added a new feature wall with storage cabinets and a fireplace. We cladded the fireplace in stone and added strips of molding behind the TV. We added unique furniture pieces and accents, mixing marbles and metals for a luxurious look. One of the focal points in the room is the full black wall, which connects the living and dining room. The full black wall has gold molding, and we also added a medium tone chevron for the floors. They were a great addition to join the living space with the dining space. Speaking of which, the dining room before was pretty boring and had nothing exciting going on, and it's now one of my favorite spaces. We added a luxurious black table, oversized blue chairs, cute sconces, and a stunning chandelier. The drapery is absolutely beautiful. We closed off the opening to the kitchen, which made room for beautiful birds on the wall, which were especially meaningful as my clients are from Portugal and these swallows are a symbol for liberation. They look like they're flying in from the window and reflect so beautifully onto the table. Next up, let's talk about the powder room. A lot of people don't think this is an important room, but it really gives your guests a chance to sit down and look around and see what's going on. The powder room initially had a mishmash of tile colors and dated granite countertops. It all felt super dated. Now we've added a new vanity with a backlit mirror and crystal sconces. The flooring has a cool reflective pattern, which leads to the updated matte black toilet. Overall, the powder room has completely transformed. Next up, let's talk about the lounge. Before, we had some old brown cabinetry that didn't really fit the space. We wanted to use this room to entertain and drink wine, so we decided to split the room to have 3 functions: a bar, a lounge, and a games table. For the bar, we went with a cool wood look tile, a wine fridge, and a sink. The accents make this space so personalized, and it really makes it great for entertaining. We added 2 leather sofas with a really cool coffee table that looks like ripples in water. The focal point is the fireplace, which has LED lighting that continues from the wall to the ceiling. The bistro table with rattan chairs is the perfect spot for morning coffee or for a game of cards. It really is the perfect space to entertain. Next up, let's talk about the kitchen. Next to the lounge, we used to have a wall that really closed off the space for conversation. We needed to add a support column, so we decided to camouflage it by integrating a new wine wall, which acts as a great separator between the lounge and the kitchen. The kitchen before had an opening towards the dining room and was not an ideal size for my clients. They really needed more storage and wanted it to feel like a chef's kitchen. After the renovation, we went with matte black cabinets with a section on the island in gold metal to add some texture and depth while making it overall a much more interesting space. To complement this detail, we added a gold hood fan and a black backsplash with burnt orange veining. To make the kitchen feel larger, we added the table to the island, creating a breakfast nook area, which helped us conserve space while adding the much needed functionality. Against the wall, we have this floor-to-ceiling bookshelf, which houses some of their personal accessories. And my favorite part is we were able to incorporate their dog bowls and accessories into the cabinetry, which adds a nice personal touch to the area and is perfect for their dog. Just outside the kitchen, we have this stunning patio. We simply swapped out the patio doors for these new black modern ones and added some elegant patio furniture to complete the new look. And that's it. Overall, my clients are in love with the space and they love entertaining in the space, and they're so excited to create so many new memories here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the